Hello guys and welcome back to your channel I Love 164. Today we are going to do the unboxing for the latest release of the Mini GT, and what we have here is the Lamborghini collection only. So in this video I'm just going to show off all the Lamborghinis I got in the previous week. So let's start with the very first one, which was previously released. It was the Lamborghini Huracan GT3 Evo. This is the pink version. Actually, I think this is going to be one of the coolest Lamborghinis edition in my collection. So let's open this up. Just be careful while using the blades. Always be careful. Okay, here we go. Look at this. Wow, what a beautiful casting it is. What a beautiful casting it is. Let's put this on the turntable and review. So here is the close look of the car. Look at this amazing casting. I mean, if I even talk about the casting itself, it's so well detailed and die casted, and then over that they made all the decals and everything so beautifully. Look at the back, man. This is so great, so aggressive. I never saw something like that in my entire collection, and I really love the headlights. They used like a web kind of design in this headlights, and the spoiler is amazing, the scoop is amazing, the skirt is amazing. This is an amazing car. And if you see closely on the back, you will see that there is an Italian flag. Oh my god, I think this is one of the best casting yet that I have. And then we have the green one. Now let's open the second one. This one is in the green. It's the same car from the Iron Linux. It's Evo 2 number 63. So let's open this up. While the good one is rotating in the back. I always have confusion opening these bricks, but that's needs to be done. Oh my god. Look at this one. I mean, I thought the pink one was very unique and different. This one is even better in green. So let's put this one here and this here on that turntable. Let's have a look on this. This car is very much the same as the pink one. There are some differences in this, like not in the casting wise, but in the details only. Like the other one is having 83 on it, this one is having 63. Most of the things are same, and it is amazing. You heard me saying that yes, I do not have any such casting. I am in love of Lamborghinis, and these Lamborghinis are just so well detailed and so beautiful, so amazing. Man, I became a fan of these two castings. Let's move to the third one. Now let's open the last one we have here. It's the Lamborghini Huracan Sterrato. This is actually the third version. The first one was in the dark green color, I think. Well, I don't remember what it has been called. And the second one was in, I think it was white. And now this is the third release, and I think there are no more releases for this Strato in the lineup of the Mini GT. I don't see any in the pre-orders. Oh my god. Look at this car. I really like this blue. I mean, the pop-up colors are always good in Lamborghinis, and this blue is amazing. I really like this scoop on the top of this car. Let's close review this on the turntable. Look at this Strato. Some people say this Mini GT casting is overhyped. I heard people saying that. But it is quite obvious why it is overhyped or hyped and why people love this casting so much. They made it so well. This is more like give you an off-roading version of the car, even though it is not it's a luxury, right? And then the color, the details on the top of the car, the front lights, the focus lights they gave are just amazing piece of detailing. And on the side door it says Strato. What else a diecast lover needs? I'll just keep it like that for some time and mesmerize it. So these were the 3 Lamborghinis that we had opened up today. Let me know in the comments which one you like the most, which one is your favorite, and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Do not forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.